I'm bored. I need chaos! Orange, you know that Yo doesn't like being kicked around like a football. I guess I'm not gonna give you extra foods. Ha ha! A chaos method has been found! Although Green might snitch on me like the goody giant he is, I'll just find another method. How about giving Orange some food without Red noticing? Ha! Yellow, guide me to a nearby vent, please. Sure thing, guardian protector of mine! Are we here? Purple, what are you doing? Orange, I have found some snacks for you. Food packs! Nom 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 nom. Thanks, buddy. I have stolen a lot of Green's food packs to get the amount I have today. Feel free to come in the vents anytime you want extra food packs when you're in trouble. I'll always have spares. Green wanted me to tell you that he knows you're up to something. He heard you laughing at some evil plan to give Orange food. I'm out. How did she even find us here if she's deaf? Remember, Yo is deaf without the headphones, and didn't Red teach us that for the billionth time now? Green, it was me. I gave Orange the food packs. Purple, where are you? I'm not exactly happy to be knowing that you take my food packs, Purple. You know I need those too. And then in the end, Purple gets in trouble once again because, Purple always gets in trouble. Even though it, should mainly be Orange. Well, of course he got in trouble as well. Goodbye, people who suck at Rainbow Friends as much as I do. Goodbye.